Google Drive remains one of the most powerful and versatile cloud storage platforms in 2025, and it's perfect for beginners who want to store, organize, and access files from anywhere. At its core, Google Drive allows you to upload files like documents, photos, and videos to the cloud, keeping them safe and accessible on any device, whether it's your computer, smartphone, or tablet. This means you no longer have to worry about losing important files if your device crashes or gets lost. One of the biggest advantages for beginners is Google Drive's integration with Google Workspace apps. You can create documents in Google Docs, spreadsheets in Google Sheets, and presentations in Google Slides directly within Drive. Sharing is simple. You can choose whether someone can view, comment, or edit a file, making collaboration easy for teams, classmates, or friends. Using the @mention feature in comments allows you to notify collaborators directly, keeping communication smooth without switching to email or messaging apps. Organization is key for beginners, and Google Drive offers several helpful tools. You can create folders to group files, color code them for easy identification, and star frequently used documents for quick access. Its powerful search feature also allows you to find files by name, type, owner, or even keywords within the document itself. Another useful feature is version history, which automatically saves previous versions of your files so you can revert changes if needed. Offline access is also available, allowing you to view and edit files without an internet connection. Perfect for working on the go. Additionally, Google Drive integrates with third-party apps like Slack, Trello, and Zoom, making it a central hub for productivity and collaboration. Security features like two-factor authentication and controlled sharing ensure your files remain safe and private. By mastering these features, beginners can make Google Drive more than just a storage solution. It becomes a tool to stay organized, collaborate effectively, and work efficiently in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tips, Google Workspace tutorials, and productivity hacks.